Hello everyone, my name is Roshni Gorathe. Today is 10 March and today's video topic is multi-threading in Java. So let's see. First we see what is multi-threading. The multi-threading in Java is the process of executing multiple threads at a time, means simultaneously. Then in that the thread, a thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit for the processing. The multiprocessing and the multi-threading both are used for achieve the multitasking. Then we see the use of what is the use of multi-threading. We use multi-threading, that multiprocessing, because the thread use a shared memory area. They don't allocate a separate memory, so our time is saved and memory is saved. And then the Java multi-threading is mostly used in the games and animation. Next we see what is the advantages of multi-threading in Java. So in that first, it doesn't block the user because the thread are independent and use can perform multiple operation at the same time. Then next use is we can perform many operation together at a time, so that save our time. Then third is a thread are independent, so it doesn't affect other thread if an execution occur in the single thread. Then we see what is multitasking. Multitasking means the multitasking is the process of execution multiple tasks simultaneously. We can multitasking to utilize the CPU. The multitasking can be achieved in two ways. Uh, these two ways are: first is a process-based multitasking, means multiprocessing in that, and second is thread-based multitasking, means multi-threading. First we see the process-based multitasking. The process-based multitasking, in that the each process has an address in memory. In other words, each process allocate the separate memory area. The process is a heavyweight cost of communication between the process in the high switching from one process to another. Then it required some time for saving and loading register memory map, updating list. Then the thread based multitasking, means multi-threading. In that the thread shared the same address space. The thread is a lightweight cost of communication between the thread is low. Then we see what is thread. A thread is a lightweight sub-process, the smallest unit of processing. It is a separate path of the execution. The thread are independent if there occur exception in one thread. It doesn't affect other thread if use a shared memory area. Uh, then next we see Java thread class. The Java provide thread class to achieve thread programming. The thread class provides a constructor and method to create and perform operation on the thread. Next, The thread class extend object class and implement the runnable interface. So that's all about the multi-threading in Java. Thank you.